Hey, Erica here with ePartners Marketing. Today, I'm going to show a little bit behind the scenes of my content creation slash design process when I work with clients for their social media content. So these are from some notes from a special client of mine. So these were concepts from June, concepts from May. We actually started working together more long term in February. So as you can see over the month, there's been so many concepts. So first, we'll get a long list of ideas for what she wants to talk about that month. We'll bounce them off of each other and say, okay, well, we can actually move this one to next month, or that might make sense to promote it closer to like a special holiday or anything like that. On this one, it's cool because I wrote all the different concepts for that month, and then I literally, checked them off as I went. But anyway, so that's step one. What are we gonna make? What do we want to talk about? What do we want to promote? Then after that, oh, so before I get to that, it's really helpful if with your designer, you say, hey, these are my pictures and then here's my products. And you get even better, like you can save probably even a little bit of money if you have that designer or another designer remove all the backgrounds beforehand. So if you literally send just your product, no background, not even a white background, no background where it's transparent, that saves your designer so much time. I can make it even quicker. So that's a plus. So any pictures you have of clients, customers, stock photos you want to use, or like customer testimonial type photos, definitely add those in a folder, and then having your products without the background in the folder. Having those two together can make content creation so much quicker and save a lot of time. And also, a lot of designers you charge extra to remove background, just saying. So have that in place. So first is the concept, what we want to talk about. Second is actually having the product photos and any other photos you would like included during that month, during that theme. Then the next step is I actually create the content. So I'll show you a behind the scenes of a very popular post she's had and a popular product. This product was so popular that it got back ordered for a few months. So it's a great success. She had been selling this for a while. I can't remember if this was a launch. This is how long ago. Like I literally made this back in February. So yeah, back in February, I originally made this, and I didn't know like, oh, this would be so popular to where it would be back ordered. Like she literally last week was like, in stock, 400 back orders of this. I was like, really? Anyways, so yeah, I put in her product photo, and then I made the font, or not made fonts, but I picked out what font we were going to use and the colors. And, she gave me the different benefits she wanted to provide, and just got revised a few times. So don't be fooled. But yeah, I actually go ahead, I take the idea that she gives me, and then I kind of run with it, or I elevate it. I take it to the next level. So that's what I did with this one. You can see all the different ways and stuff. I think I made an animated version of this too. I can't remember. But yeah, see if I go like this, just here. But yeah, that's step two, or no, step three. So step one, the concept. What do you want to talk about? Step two is giving me your product photos or any other type of photos that you have. Also, another bonus to step two would be any ideas you have, definitely send those my way as well, along with, but I would say that's part of step one, like any concept that you have in mind, send along some ideas too. So yeah, that's step three, me actually designing it. And this did take quite a bit of time, a little totally different than anything else I made for her. But yeah, so I actually make it. Then I send it over. So I'll quickly show you. Let me see. Okay. So I usually send, and this is so funny. I looked and it was like, this is the very first thing I made for her back in 2017. I made this flyer for her back in 2017, a flyer magazine style. So cute. And then that's her and her daughter. And this was the email blast. And I also made her two matching Instagram posts as well. But yeah, I sent her drafts in a document like this. And this is another set of drafts as well. So this was after the February one. This was April's concept and draft. I send these over to her. And then step 4 is I send her the drafts, and then step 5. Screen sharing pause. Okay, I don't know what that was about. I don't know what y'all could see and couldn't see. So let me just recap really quick. Step 1 is we talk about screen sharing pause. Resume screen sharing. So, oops, I have to switch what I'm sharing. Hold on. Sorry about that. Anyway, so yeah, these are concepts for April that I made. Oh, let me move you out of the way. So these are concepts for April. I had a theme, or we had a theme of, Easter, really bright. And I actually made her some other posts with that theme that I really want to share. So in April, I made in April showers brings May flowers, and then I put her product in little raindrops. I thought it was cute because she has a kid brand to really, play into that, kitty type of feel, and that mommies would like it. So this ended up being like 3 posts across her page. So along with that, this one didn't really get those many revisions, I don't think. I think I might have switched the raindrops or something. I can't remember. But yeah, so this was a concept also from April. And then step 5 or 6 at this point would be her revision. So she's going to request some changes to information, and then I'm going to do those revisions, send them over. She might request additional changes. And then when it's all said and done, all of her concepts go into a shared folder, and it's really beneficial if you and your designer, or me and you, have a shared folder. That way everything lives there, and this is not even everything I've made between February and now, but we put the system in place, and then this is where most of them live. So just to show y'all a few more. So this was obviously her aloe refresher spray, May content, the one that's beloved. Or I don't even know if that's the word I should use, but yeah. I thought this was cute too during April because it really went along with that same bright, bubbly, kitty feel. Cute little quote. Certain things I wanted to say, there's certain things she wanted to say. But yeah, so then after I send them to you, you're then able to, take them to the next level. I also made this flyer or I added her stuff to it. But anyways, so just to pull up an example of what the client then does, they are free to add their captions and their hashtags. And so this is promoting a sale. I did that graphic for her. And this one and that one. And I can't remember if this is the video I added or is this other one. No, that's another one. But yeah, so I also, for this client, I make animated posts. Okay, it's gonna play. So yeah, so she gets an animated post, she gets some product posts, she gets, some definitely promotional, whatever that's going on. And then I'm trying to, oh, this is an animated version of that other post I told you about for the So for the animated post, I pick up the song. I just try to keep it kid friendly, family friendly, no lyrics, just elevated music. Made this post. Her and actually made this for the lady that referred her to me years ago. They team together, they collaborate together and do these mommy and me events in Atlanta at Kingston Curls, ATL. And so I made them this flyer for their natural meats, and then they just put my flyer on top of the video that they made. But so yeah, so you have that freedom to do that. And then here's another version of the collection. Or it's very similar. I think she just changed the cover. I also made this one for her for Women's Day. That was cute. Um, and then this one, a testimonial. And this one, hibiscus. And so, yeah, I made this video just to show, like, you know, my process. And then, so this was before working. Well, that one I made for her years ago, like I said. But then this was before working with me. This was before working with me. That was before working with me. This was before working with me. But just to show, you know, a little bit of my process, and, you know, from start to finish, from concept to actual on the page, you know. This was another, oh, I have an animated version of this. I don't know what she did with it. But yeah, it's kind of cool to see. Maybe this one. Maybe this one. But yeah, I'm trying to show y'all one more video. I did one more. Oh, here it is. Or I did a few more. Like each month she gets a few videos. So very kitty. Literally for that one, all she did was send me the picture, and then it was up to me to point out the tips and pick the music and the kid-friendly illustration and all that. So I just showed all of that to say, in conclusion, you know, when you work with an outside designer to do your content instead of, you know, just depending on yourself, it frees up your time so that you can really focus on helping your clients, because her company is so client focused, where she has to spend a lot of time with mommies and daddies, training them or educating them about their child's hair and skincare. And I will say that that's a big thing about her company that separates her from others. She really does focus on the education of skincare and hair care. It's not just, you know, your hair being beautiful, it's your hair and skin being healthy. And she really specializes in eczema treatments as well. And a lot of her products, or most of her products, are completely natural. I don't know if they're necessarily organic. I know it's natural based products. But yeah, I just wanted to share that experience with you. And if you need help with your social media marketing, definitely reach out to me, and my team would be glad to help you. Since helping this client, I have added a publicist to my team. So she also specializes in social media. So I've offered social media management for years, and it is nice to have another social media manager's perspective. So when you would be working with my team, you would not just be working with me, you'd be working with her as well. Bye.